Can you imagine a movie made entirely by artificial intelligence? No actors, no directors, no camera crew, just the power of AI. It sounds crazy, but it's happening. AI is changing how we make movies. In fact, I made a whole movie using only AI tools, and the results are incredible. The idea of a movie made entirely by AI was mind-blowing. I wondered, could AI write a compelling story? Could it create stunning visuals and realistic characters? Could it even compose the music? It turns out, the answer is yes. I embarked on a journey to create a movie using only AI. I wanted to see what AI could do and explore the future of filmmaking. The results were both exciting and a little scary. Let me tell you how I did it. The first step was the script. I needed a story, and I needed AI to write it. Luckily, there are amazing AI tools for scriptwriting. I used a program called Pseudo-Write, which is like having a brainstorming partner who never sleeps. You give Pseudo-Write a basic plot idea, and it churns out dialogue, scene descriptions, and even character arcs. It's amazing. I fed Pseudo-Write my idea, a love story set in a dystopian future, and it crafted a surprisingly engaging screenplay. It wasn't perfect, of course. AI still struggles with things like plot holes and character consistency, but with some tweaking and editing, the AI-generated script was ready to become a movie. Now for the fun part, making the movie itself. This is where AI gets really interesting. There are AI tools for generating visuals, creating voices, and even composing music. For the visuals, I used a combination of AI image generators like Midjourney and DALL-E 2. These tools are incredible. You type in a description of what you want to see, and they create stunning, realistic images. I used these tools to create everything from futuristic cityscapes to detailed character portraits. For the voices, I used AI voice generators like Murph.ai and Synthesia. These tools allow you to create realistic voiceovers in different accents and tones. It's like having a whole cast of voice actors at your fingertips. Finally, for the music, I used AI music generators like Amper Music and Jukebox. These tools can create original soundtracks in any genre you can imagine. It's incredible how AI can capture the emotional tone of a scene with music. Section 4. Putting it all together. AI as director and editor. With all the pieces in place, it was time to put the movie together. This is where my role as a director came in. I used video editing software to assemble the AI-generated visuals, voices, and music into a coherent film. It was like putting together a jigsaw puzzle, but instead of cardboard pieces, I had stunning AI creations. I had to make choices about pacing, editing, and transitions to bring the story to life. Of course, AI isn't perfect at everything yet. I still had to do some manual tweaking and adjustments to make the movie flow smoothly. Section 5. The AI movie masterpiece or mess. So, what was the final product like? Well, it wasn't quite a Hollywood blockbuster. The AI-generated movie had its flaws. The plot was a bit predictable, the characters lacked depth, and some of the visuals were strangely surreal. But it was still an incredible achievement. The fact that AI could create a complete movie from script to screen is mind-blowing. The visuals were often breathtaking, the voice acting was surprisingly convincing, and the music perfectly captured the mood. More importantly, the movie sparked a sense of wonder and possibility. It showed what AI is capable of and hinted at a future where anyone can become a filmmaker. Section 6. The future of film. Will AI replace directors? So, will AI replace human directors altogether? Not likely. Filmmaking is about more than just technical skills. It's about vision, creativity, and human connection. But AI will undoubtedly transform the industry. It will empower filmmakers with powerful new tools, lower the barrier to entry for aspiring artists, and open up new creative possibilities. Imagine a world where AI can generate entire movie sets, create realistic digital actors, and even predict audience reactions in real time. The possibilities are endless. The future of film is exciting, and AI is leading the way.